Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing aromatics and rice because they set flavor layers. Rinse 5 cups basmati until water is clear, then soak 20 minutes to shorten cooking. While rice soaks, toast whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, until fragrant, then either crush or keep whole. This unlocks essential oils. Chop onions, garlic, and ginger. Sauté in oil until golden to create a caramelized base. Once done, add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and stir. This builds a deep. Now you build the middle. Cook vegetables and par-cook rice so textures match when layered. Sauté onions until deep brown, then add vegetables, 1 teaspoon biryani masala, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and salt to taste. Cook until slightly tender to avoid mush later. Parboil soaked rice until about 3/4 done. Grains should still show a white core. Drain and reserve 1/4 cup of the soaking water. You will use it to steam and hydrate the rice, maintaining fluffy grains during final cooking. You assemble by layering par-cooked rice over the vegetable base. Sprinkle fried onions, chop cilantro, mint, and drizzle saffron steeped in 2 tablespoons warm milk for color and aroma. Cover the pot with a tight lid or seal with foil to trap steam. Cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes to finish rice and marry flavors. Once done, rest the biryani for 10 minutes, then gently fluff from the bottom. If it seems dry, add the reserved soaking water, recover, and steam a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.